Tempstar just fired up. No, there's the ICP just started up. Sorry about that. Alright, so here is a Tempstar just fired up. I mean ICP. Oh, the ICP is going to get defrost. I better catch that one. We'll let this one defrost as well too. Alright, so here is a big Tempstar. Just got frozen up. And it's a 2.5 ton. For 2023 manufacturing daylight. It's a nice logo. There's a SENRY big one here. Oh, there goes the Defrost central air conditioning unit.
There it goes.
Put my camera in a safe place. Now we'll let it do a defrost on a medium cycle. About to be posting up on this YouTube. Alrighty, let's go check it out. The full defrost. Alright. Oh, look at that steam. It's coming out. I eat still. Ooh. Oh my word, that scared me. Oh, he's in this game. Oh, hello. Alright, here's the steam gun. Look at that steam. Wow.
It's already melting off the ice fast.
Yeah, it's very fast.
Oh, I just heard the other one go in.
Oh, I saw it. I saw that. I saw that going in. Yeah, that's what I saw. Oh, there we go. Now I better catch the other Tempstar defrosting right now. Oh, there it goes. It's a 2-ton. Here we go. Watch for the spin down. There we go. Oh. The warm air is coming out, the steam.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Look at that steam though. I think I saw it went in. Yep, I already know. I already saw it. Oh, it's coming out fast. Alright, so there goes a 2020 ICP just Xing out the defrost central air conditioner heat pump. The warm air is coming out of the central air conditioner. There's a section line is ice cold, sweaty. Pretty good in there. Maybe it's on the 70s.
And it's a 2020 2-ton.
There's a 14 seer. Got a Gentek fan motor. And it's from 2020's a 2-ton. Alright. We'll let it run before doing the shutdown.